Hi friends, Ride Careers welcomes you to a brand new video. This is Yes Sudarshan, your career coach. Now, before we get on to this week's topic, the customary thing, in case you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And in case you haven't, do click on the subscription and bell button for instant notifications of career and parenting related videos on a regular basis. Now, we are sitting in the month of October, and October is that kind of a time where if you are a student, you would, especially if you are a final year student, you would start thinking about what to do next. Yes, on one hand, you have placement. The college that you are studying in might come up with placement opportunities from various companies. On other hand, you might want to study more, you might want to study big and make a master's program. Whoever you are, you could be an engineer or you could be a non-engineer, you want to study MBA or MS or whatever programs that are there. And one such option when you always think of studying abroad is a foreign destination. And we all know that the top or the first destination that comes to anyone's mind when it comes to higher education abroad is the United States of America or the USA. Now, this week, this particular episode, we will see as to if at all you choose master's degree in US, whether that degree is worth it in terms of the money that you're going to spend, the time that you're going to spend, or rather, in general, the investment that you're going to make, whether it's worthwhile is what we are going to see. So before that, we need to understand why people from across the globe, not only from India, people from across the globe prefer to come to US and study the program. Whatever it is, could be even an undergraduate program or the postgraduate program. You need to know why. What are those reasons? The first reason that came to my mind instantly was the higher academic standards that they have set. Now, the universities, most of the universities in US are top notch in nature, especially when it comes to the academic standards. They have set a very, very high bar that it's impossible, for anyone to think beyond that standard. So that's the kind of standard that they have set. Let us start with the rankings. Globally, there are few top notch, agencies that give ranking on a regular basis, consistent basis. One such ranking is the QS ranking. Now, QS globally ranks, universities based on different parameters. And every year, including this year, current year, 2023, at least 5 universities from US will come in top 10, of the rankings. Even in 2023, you see 5 universities of US are there in top 10. Not only that, 30 to 40 universities will be in the top 100 universities of the globe. So that's what US stands out. Not only QS rankings, but also other rankings like THE, we call Times Higher Education Rankings, or some other different rankings you take. All the good universities would be from US, or the top ranked universities would definitely be from US. Now, why? Primarily because the academic standards or the academic delivery that they have kept is very, very strong. It's quite robust, I will say. And not only that, coupled with the advanced technology, the cutting edge technology that they use with top notch professors, make it a complete package. Now, another reason, not only, yes, academics, they are strong, but then there is life beyond academics, and US is course in that also. Life beyond academics is very, very, very strong in US. Most of these universities will provide you opportunities that will actually match your interest, your tastes, or your preferences to make a alternate, career also. And not only that, you can spend some valuable time on these things. So the vibrant classroom and vibrant outside the classroom makes USA a dream destination. So that's the first example or first reason, the higher academic standards. The second reason, or the second important reason as to why people prefer US, is the diversity and the scholarship that it provides. The diversity, talking about diversity, over students from over 200 nations are currently studying in US. That means, you're there, you might have in a class of 20, two might be from India, two might be few from Korea, few from Netherlands, few from US, few from UK, few from Africa, which means you learn a lot. Peer learning is at its best, right? Especially when you go to some top colleges, this is very, very common. What I'm talking about is very, very common. So that's as far as diversity. The scholarships, yes, upfront I would like to tell you that again, the cost of education in US is very, very high, but at the same time, US universities gives you a lot of scholarship both in means and merits are quite plenty. You can actually fund your education partially from food, to accommodation, everything can be done through scholarship if you go through the right mechanism. So that's one of the important reasons as to why people prefer studying in US. The third important reason I thought was the internship opportunities. Yes, when you study any program in US, you will get a lot of opportunities to do internship. These are not free internship, these are paid internship, which means your pocket money or your money is taken care. Now, what if this internship comes with an experience? It's an icing on the cake, right? Experience, academic experience. Say for example, if you are studying masters, if you're studying MS program, you can actually assist your professor by taking classes for juniors. This is quite valuable. When you do this, you get the most important experience of working for research, and then you also get paid. What more you want? So research assistantship or working with senior professors is very, very common in US. Besides this, the large amount of scholarships are available for Indian students. Also, quite a lot of opportunities, internship opportunities will be there where you can utilize and make a money for the time being. At least till the time you are there, you can earn some decent money. And more importantly, it is not only about money, it's about networking. Through this process, you network with a lot of people, and that will actually help you find the dream job that you actually want. And that's how it works these days. So that's a third point. The fourth important point, rather from at least from an Indian perspective, I would say is the post-study work opportunities. It's very, very, very important for Indians to look at what after my program. I'm going to spend a lot of money in US. In case I don't find a job, what? For that, the US government has given one very good thing. That is, after your MS, if you're studying MS, it gives you 1 year time for you to stay in US and then find a job and then work. The moment you find a job, then it's perpetually you can move on. But I'm sure most of them find jobs in 1 year time. For STEM programs, they've given 3 year duration where you can stay in US for 3 years and work. If you get into a good job, good companies, they themselves will extend the visa and things like that. Not only that, you get paid really well if you work in US. Most of the students whom I know who have taken lakhs and lakhs of rupees as loan, pledged their property, etc., were able to repay those loans in 3 years' time, which is an unimaginable ROI, I would say. So this is one of the reasons as to why people, study, choose their opportunity. I mean, the program in US. I mean, just if you are passionate about higher education, if you want to study, at college or university that's world renowned, then US is definitely an option. In case you are one such student who wants to go to US or any other country, willing to know more about the university or the program, you can always contact us. All the credentials are mentioned beneath this video. And until next week with an altogether different video, see you all. Take care. Have a safe week. Thank you.